My beloved brother and sister in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's go to speak about an ayah of the Holy Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Holy Quran at Surah Nahl, the number of ayah is 90. Inna Allah ya'amuru bil adl. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commands to do justice. Wal ihsan, to be good. Wa ita'i dhil qurba, to give your relatives their due. Wa yanha anil fahsha. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forbids from shameless acts. Wal munkar, from evil deeds. Wal baghi, from transgression. Ya'izukum, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala exhorts you. La'allakum tadhakkarun, so that you may be receptive to advice. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala describes in this ayah about 6 things. From 3 things Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forbids. For 3 things Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commands you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commands you to do justice and to be honest and to be good. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commands you to give your relatives their due. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forbids from 3 things. From shameless acts. You have to leave shameless acts. You have to leave evil deeds. And you should abandon all type of